Again, the clue is in the name. Alpha Foxtrot 63, November Lima.
Oh, you don't give dick. What a twat. It wasn't me, was it? I was already there and it undertook me.
Somebody who gets so
Well, why do people have to be dickheads?
now you're doing that on purpose.
Yeah.
That's pathetic, isn't it?
Okay. You get road rage anyway.
No, I don't. I never get road rage. No, I don't.
Didn't realise you could go around there. That doesn't look like your lane, mate. Yeah, exactly. And you drove head on into that Toyota. Prat.
What a prick. You've got to get past the cyclist or you answered him there.
Knowing so, why not spend your weekend in the company of some
She gonna look like hell she is.
And here's another great musical name she can join our presenting lineup, Johanna's.
Interesting right turn. Pretty sure that should have been a left indicator, mate. One way! One way!
Go on, Albatross. Oh! Still red for you.
Where was the indicator? On the red light, mate.
Brother, but if you see a game or something you want, let me know. Okay. Now, Lane, meanwhile, is like,
Oh, okay, hi.
how's it feeling? So I look at her and I'm like, alright, I don't say anything. But it seems like she's dumb.
Zoom, zoom.
So,
Ah, no indicator.
teenager.
Isn't there something about BMWs with indicators? I don't know. What are you doing? Wrong side of the road.
if somebody did say that to me, I would.
Where are you going?
Quite obviously hurtful.
Couldn't be asked to wait, turn right.
Because of the work they do.
And you turn right on the wrong side of the road as well.
Thing to be described as.
You work at the uni, do you? Smart guy.
Yeah, we've got another one.
Tidy or what? Tidy Audi? Don't see many of that generation around these days. What is that? It's Renault. Interesting.
MCU though, that's kind of thrown out the window. So just in the combination of things, I'm not liking this direction of the character. I'm just not. And I know I've joked about the, oh gee, Mr. Stop, can I rub your toes for you? Peter Parker, we're seeing.
Flashing, yeah.
And having Tony as a father figure, I get that. At some point though, you have to reference, I know we've seen the Uncle Ben origin twice with the first two tries. You have to at least.
Get in the lane like everybody else, you tosser.
We could close the curtains, pretend like outside. Then we could put time.
Thanks for that one.
Can't you see that it's just
Don't fancy waiting in the traffic queue? Not your game. Make your own lane up. Can't be asked to wait in the traffic? Just make up your own lane. It's fine, it's safe, and it's easy. Just sack off the queue. Try it yourself. It's only your life and the person you're hurtling towards is life in jeopardy. Give it a go.
Feel relaxed.
Been hauled up in front of Congress. I seem to recall, and I haven't double checked the details.
Oh dear, why did we pull out, mate? You could have just waited where I am, and then you wouldn't be blocking traffic. It's not moving in front of you, is it? Let's be fair. So, yeah, well done. 10 out of 10, dude.